Wow, Terra Classic in the past 30 days have actually increased by 5%. That's of market cap. Terra Classic might be ending this month of November with an increase of 7 to 8% increase on market cap. But you can see that Luna have actually dropped more. They've actually they lose more market cap than before, because you see, this is the first time this month, actually the first time for years Terra Classic have actually been ranked below the top 100. So you see, Terra Classic, right now they are struggling to bounce back. They are struggling to hit back at the market cap that can take them back to the top 100, which I know is not going to be easy, because it looks like even as of yesterday and today, within the past 24 hours, Terra Classic dropped more in terms of ranking. And even though they end this month with an increase of about 5% to 6% increase of the current market cap they have, which is about $450 million. Okay, it simply means they are trying to recover, because as of last month, Terra Classic market cap early last month was trading at about $480 million to about $515 million market cap. And I still believe that, well, with an increase of about $23 million this month, next month, I believe that if they can really work on major projects, if they can work on getting some project, bringing some project to life, and if they can also work on, burning more Terra Classic coin and getting themselves on the news, okay? It can get itself on the news, on the top blogs. I believe that it will bring a positive impact on Terra Classic in the month of December. And remember, the month of December, most crypto coins have been affected by the month of December, because many people who actually invested on these coins, most people want to withdraw, most people want to sell because they want to celebrate. So some want to withdraw their money, some want to withdraw some percentage of their investment in order to celebrate the season. And this is why Terra Classic might even go down more before the end of December. So anything can happen. So let's just hope and see what might be happening, and if they will be losing more, dropping more before the end of next month, or if the season might not affect it. But for me, I think definitely it will be difficult for Terra Classic to hit back again at the top 100 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by. Remember, we'll be doing different kind of videos on how to make money online, and you can also watch some of these videos. You learn some different ways you can make money from home, make money with your phone, make money with your laptop. Once again, thank you for stopping by.